Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevy Volt. First, locate the charging port on your vehicle, usually on the driver's side front fender. You'll primarily use Level 1 or Level 2 charging. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, while Level 2 requires a 240-volt connection. Always confirm your charging cable and power source are compatible and in good condition before plugging in for safety. Level 1 charging is the simplest method, using the charging cord that came with your Volt. Just plug it into any standard 120-volt household outlet. This method is perfect for overnight charging, typically taking about 10 to 16 hours for a full battery. It's a great option for daily commutes when you have ample time to recharge at home or work. For significantly faster charging, Level 2 is your best bet. This requires a 240-volt charging station, which can be installed at home or found at many public locations. With Level 2, your Volt can reach a full charge in approximately 4 to 4.5 hours. This speed makes it ideal for quick top-ups or when you need your vehicle ready sooner. When connecting, always ensure the charging plug is fully inserted and clicks into place to guarantee a secure connection. You can easily monitor your Volt's charging progress and battery status using the vehicle's dashboard display or a compatible mobile app. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.